Good morning, students. I, Shifali, from Dips Bloomingdale's. Today we will read the paragraph My Country. As you know, India is our country. The British made our country slave for many years. We got freedom, sacrifice of many great leaders and freedom fighters. Now, as we are living in free country, we must admire the sacrifice of great freedom fighters. Let's read about our country. I am an Indian. As I live in India, that's why I am an Indian. India is my motherland. Motherland means where we have taken the birth. As we get birth in India, that's why India is my motherland. It is the 7th largest country in the world. As we know, world is made of many big countries and continents. In all that countries, India is on 7th number, 7th place. I love my country very much. I love India because, why I love my country? Because the people around me are lovely. Who are around us? Our family members, our neighbors, the person living in our state. Its traditions are unique. As we know, India is a land of diversity. We know many states are there in India. Each state has its own speciality. Their languages are different. Their food is different. Their culture is different. But they are living as a whole country. They are living in unity. So its traditions are unique. As people are different, so its traditions are also unique, different. My mother tongue is the most beautiful language on the earth. As we are living in India, which is our mother language? It is Hindi. So my mother tongue is most beautiful language on the earth. धरती के ऊपर जितनी भी we speak Hindi. The natural beauty which spreads all over India is really enchanting. कि जो सारी natural beauty है which is God gifted, that is very beautiful. Enchanting means very attractive, very delightful, soothing to our heart. It has many beautiful mountains. अब इसमें क्या क्या है? Very beautiful mountains, lakes, rivers and deserts. रेगिस्तान भी हैं, नहरें भी हैं और mountains भी हैं. The river Ganga is the holiest river of India. Holiest means sacred, जिसको हम पूजते हैं. The religious touch that we find among Indians touches the heart. उनके जो रिलीजन्स हैं, जो हमारे इंडिया में अलग अलग धर्म को मानते हैं लोग, वो हमारे दिल को छूने वाले हैं. मीन्स बहुत ज़्यादा श्रद्धा से मनाया जाता है. Besides all these factors, there are many other aspects of India which have attracted my attention to keep me loving it. कि ये जो फैक्टर्स हमने डिस्क्राइब किए हैं उसके अलावा और बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं इंडिया में जो मेरी अटेंशन अपनी तरफ खींचती हैं और जिनसे मुझे प्यार है. India has many cultures and traditions, as we have discussed earlier, that many people of different cultures lives in India. That's why India is a land of different cultures and traditions. It is the birthplace of many greats. Many great people have taken birth on the land of India. Who were them? Lord Rama, Lord Krishna, Lord Buddha, Lord Mahavira and Guru Nanak Dev. Apart from this, many great leaders Now these were all religious persons. Uh, Apart of them, many great leaders, freedom fighters like Rani Lakshmibai, Bhagat Singh, Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, APJ Abdul Kalam, and Jawaharlal Nehru were also born in India. These were the great freedom fighters who helped in our country to get freedom. APJ Abdul Kalam, as we all know, he was the 11th president of India. I feel proud that I am an Indian. Because all of these reasons, I feel proud that I am an Indian. I love my country. And for all these reasons, I love my country very much. I hope you are clear with the paragraph. Tomorrow we will meet with the next topic. Till then, take care. Have a nice day.